Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss about logarithm. First we discuss an expression that is b to the power p equal to n. So in this expression b is called base, p is called exponent, and n is called value. Okay, so here in this expression b is called base, p is called exponent, n is called value. So if we convert this in log form, this is called exponent form. So if we convert this in log form, it will be written as log base. In this place base will be written in suffix. Okay, here we will write value equal to exponent. Fine. So it will become in this form like log. In place of base you have to write b, in place of value you have to write n, and in place of exponent you have to write p. So it should be noted that it should be noted that here b is not equal 1. Okay, so here b is not equal 1. Okay, see, uh, b should not equal 1. Okay, and b is greater than 0, b should be positive. Fine. So this is the conversion of exponent form to log form. Let me tell you again how to write. Just see, the log function covers base in suffix, further value equal to exponent. So for example, if we have 2 to the power 3 equals to 8, then the log conversion will be given by log base 2 value 8 equal to exponent 3. Fine. So this is how we will convert an exponent form to log form. Let us see some examples. See example 1. Write this in log form. Write this in log form. So first identify, this is base, this is exponent, and this is value. This is value. Okay, so the log form will be, what will be the log form? How to write log form? That is log base should be here, value should be here, and exponent should be here. So log, what is the base? Base is 2. What is the value? Value is 8. What is the exponent? Exponent is 3. So this is how we convert 2 to the power 3 equal to 8, that is exponent form, in log form, that is log 2 base, sorry, log 8 base 2 equal 3. This is the basic conversion of exponent in the log form. Okay, so next we see some examples, more examples. Just see here, Again in this problem, again in this problem we will write the log. How to write? See, first identify base. Base is 4. This is base. 2 is exponent. 2 is exponent. And 16 is value. Okay. So the log form will become the log. In suffix you have to write base. Here you have to write value equal to exponent. The exponent is 2. Okay. So this is the conversion of exponent form to log form. Okay. Let us see some more examples. See, in this problem again, we can write, we have to identify what is the base, what is the exponent, and what is the value. So the log form will be base is 2, value is 1 by 8, and exponent is minus 3. So this is the basic log form of this exponent form. Further, just convert this form to log form. So base is 7, exponent is 2, value is 49. So the log form will be log base 7 49 equal to 2. Okay. Next, in this problem again we have base 5, exponent 0, value 1. So the log value, log form, log base 5, exponent will be put in right hand side, and the value should be written here. Means log 1 base 5 equal to 0. How to read it? Log 1 base 5 equal to 0. Fine. So we move to next problem. Let us see another problem. Again you have to write this in log form. See, the base is 10, the exponent is minus 2, and the value is 1 by 100. So the log, what is the log? Log will be, see, log base 10, value is 1 by 100 equal to minus 2. Okay, so what to read this? We can read it like log 1 by 100 base 10 equal minus 2. Okay, so we move to another problem. See, again the exponent form is written here. You have base 16, exponent 1 by 2, value 4. So log will be, what's the log form? Log base 16, value 4 equal to 1 by 2. This is the log form of this exponent form. Is it fine? If you have any doubt, please comment. Now we move to another form of question. So the another form is of question is, we have to write the log form into exponential form. Previously we have discussed exponential form to log form. Here we will discuss log form to exponential form. So it is very simple. Just find a cyclic pattern. See, we can write it like, this is base, this is value, this is exponent. So how to convert it in exponent form? See, the cyclic pattern, it follows the cyclic pattern like anti-clockwise. You have to rotate it like 3 to the power 4 equal to 81. See, 3 to the power 4 equal to 81. Okay, so this is very easy problem. Further, see this example. See this example. We can write it like 10 to the power 2 equal to 100. So it is written that log 100 base 10 equal to 2. You can write it like 10 to the power 2 equal to 100. Just the anti-clockwise cyclic manner. Okay, so 10 to the power 2 equal to 100. Fine. Further, we move to another example. See, you have to write this problem. This is written that log 1 by 8 base 2 equal to minus 3. Just again follow the cyclic pattern. What is it? 2 to the power minus 3 equal to 1 by 8. That is 2 to the power minus 3 equal to 1 by 8. Okay, so this is how we convert from log form to exponential form and exponential form to log form. Fine. So these are some exercise for you. You should try at home yourself. Okay, so we stop our lecture here. In next lecture we will discuss another things. Okay, so goodbye for today. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel Padhai Likhai with Saurabh. Thank you friends.